Hey guys, welcome to my patio. Since we can't go out and go, out for cocktail hour, I am having my own little cocktail hour party here on my patio, and I'm actually going to make a cocktail tonight using some of my fresh mint from my patio garden. So tonight I'm gonna make a Southside, and I looked up the recipe and I am all ready to go. I don't have everything exactly that I would need, but we're going to just try what we can. So the first thing it calls for is 2 ounces of gin. So I have my little shaker bottle glass here, and I have some gin. This I brought back from Montreal last year. Nice little duty-free purchase, and I actually just opened it tonight, so I've actually never had this one before. But it says 2 ounces of gin. So, all right. Let's see. All right, 2 ounces of gin. Next up, it says 3/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Now, I didn't fresh squeeze them already, but we're just gonna squeeze this in here and use whatever we got. Need both hands for this. I think on my next outing, to get all my essentials, I'm gonna put on the list lime juice. All right, so now I have, I guess that's okay. I have gin and lime juice. Now I need 3/4 ounces of simple syrup, which I do have. Otherwise you can make it on the stove with some sugar and water. So 3/4 ounces. And obviously this is really not that precise today. That's probably good. And then it says to combine all the ingredients with some ice in the shaker. So I will take my ice. I have some ice up here. I'm gonna put it in my shaker. And then shake well. Okay. Okay. Then it says to open the shaker and add some mint leaves. So I'm gonna open the shaker and add a few mint leaves. It says to reserve some as garnish as well. So I'm gonna just take my plant here. I'm just gonna pick a couple of the leaves off. This has been really fun to grow these herbs, but I haven't actually done anything with them yet. So this is exciting. I guess that's enough. I have a couple in there if you can see. And then it says to close the shaker and roll the mint leaves around, because you don't want to bruise them, but you want to let the aromas out. So I don't know what that means, but I guess I'm just gonna gently. Okay. You can strain it into a glass and garnish with a mint leaf. So, got my glass. Strained it into my glass. I'm gonna take one more mint leaf as a garnish. And happy cocktail hour, everyone. And don't forget, all of your drinks need a flamingo. Hope you have a good night.